Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and manage a product catalog on WhatsApp Business. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Having a good product catalog is good for maximizing your sales and good communication between you and your customer. To make a good catalog, open your WhatsApp Business app, then tap on the Tools button. Now tap on the catalog option. Here, as you can see, I have other products as well. Tap on the Add New Item. Now type a name for your new item or product. You can also type in a price for it and description as well. You can add photos to this product by tapping on the Add Photos or Videos. Now select Gallery and choose the picture you want to upload. Your picture is now uploaded. You can also enter more information about your products. Tap on More Fields. Here, you can paste a link to your website list or enter an item code to better identify the product. After everything is done, tap on Save on the top right corner to save the listing and send it for review. Your new product is now under review and will be available within 2 hours. Now you can use your listed products to better communicate with your customers. When chatting with a customer, tap on the Attachment button and then tap on Catalog button. All your products are available here. Tap on the one you want to send to your customer and then tap on the arrow. Now your customer can see this one. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.